Hello all, welcome back. Let's continue on the other actions that we could have on N8N. It's called as add another trigger. So it's not just one trigger that we could use, we could add more, but more of the different type, not of the same type. We cannot have more than one manual trigger, more than one on schedule. So let's see what are the different things that we could do. On a schedule is going to help us trigger a particular workflow when we want to run it on certain hours or minutes of the day or week or any other custom interval. And then webhook call, when some action needs to happen using a webhook call, we could use this. When some action needs to happen on the trigger on the completion of the submission of a form, we could use it. Or when one workflow completes and a second workflow needs to execute, then we could use this. When somebody inputs a chat message and based on that chat message some automation needs to trigger further, we use the on chat message. Likewise, we are having when it's an email trigger or error trigger or MCP server trigger on or any other N8N trigger. Likewise, we could use any of these. So we'll explore some of these in detail in the coming videos going forward. Thank you. More in the next. Subscribe.